So hey everyone, today we are going to present our topic which is inner classes in Java. This topic is a part of object oriented programming and is very useful for organizing code in a better and more structured way. So let's start by understanding what exactly inner classes are. What are inner classes? So inner classes are basically classes defined in another class in Java. They are used when a class is only useful for one specific outer class. So one important point is that inner classes can access all the members of the outer class, even private ones. This creates a strong connection between both the classes and improves encapsulation and code organization. So, in simple words, inner classes help us keep related code together, making programs more readable and easier to manage.
So types of inner classes. In Java, there are 4 types of inner classes: member inner class, static nested class, local inner class, and anonymous inner class. Each type is used in different situations depending on what we need in the program. Now let's understand each one in detail. So member inner class. A member inner class is defined inside a class but outside any method. It is linked with the object of the outer class, which means we need an object of the outer class to use it. The important feature is that it can access all members of the outer class, including private variables. However, it cannot have static members except constants. So basically, we use member inner classes when we need a strong relationship between outer and inner class.
So the next one is local inner class. A local inner class is defined inside a method constructor or a block. It can only be used within that method, so its scope is limited. Also, it can access local variables of the method only if they are final or effectively final. So these classes are usually used for small tasks or helper operations inside a method. So in short, when a class is needed only for a temporary purpose, we use the local inner classes. So the next one is static nested class. A static nested class is declared using the static keyword inside the another class. Unlike another inner classes, it does not depend on the object of the outer class. It can only access static members of the outer class, not instance variables. So it behaves like a normal class, but it is grouped inside another class for better organization. So we use static nested class when we don't use a strong connection with the outer class.
So the next one is anonymous inner classes. Anonymous inner classes are classes without a name. They are declared and used in a single line or expression, mainly when we need a one-time implementation. They are commonly used with the interfaces or abstract classes, especially in event handling. For example, here we are creating an object of an abstract class and giving its implementation directly without creating a separate class. So basically, they are used for quick and short implementation. Uh, Now let's understand when to use each type. Now, member inner class is used when we need frequent access to outer class members, and local inner class is used when functionality is limited to a method. Anonymous inner class is used for quick one-time implementation like event handling, and lastly static nested class is used when we don't need access to outer class instance variable. So choosing the right type depends on the requirement of the program.
So let's see the advantages of inner classes. Inner classes provide many advantages. First, they improve encapsulation because they can access private data and hide implementation details. Secondly, they help in logic grouping, meaning related classes are kept together in one place. This makes the code more organized, readable, and easier to maintain. Also, they reduce complexity by keeping the helper classes hidden from the outside world. So, thank you for your time and attention. We hope this presentation helped you understand inner classes in a clear and simple way.
We would be glad to answer any of your questions.
Thank you.
Thank you.